Akiaria mashindano-ini maria marathi na mbere ma nyimbo thukuru-ini wa Dedan Kimathi kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, mwandiki wa Kiama gĩa KUPPET Sammy Chelimo ougite matanyite gukorwo na gikaro na andiki a arimu tariki 24 mweri uyu na kuria magakorwo makiariria kwambatiria ngathi kwa arimu na marihi ma insurance ya thibitari.
And as a union, we take it upon ourselves to ensure that these teachers have a voice in KUPPET, Kenya Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers. We are going to articulate the issues that affect teachers.
Chelimo nioritie arutani othe aria mari rungu rwa KUPPET matikarumirire ritana ria kiama KNUT kuona KUPPET ni kiama kiumbe na oho amoria metirire mwerekera kuma kuri Mwandiki mukaru akilo musori.
We know that there are other unions which are talking of a strike, but for us, what I want to report to you is that we will only declare or call for a strike when there is a registered dispute, when negotiations have failed. And I want to report to you that we have received a letter.
Chelimo ni ahinyiriirie ati kiama gĩa KUPPET gĩtĩkĩtie gũikara thĩ na kwaraniria mbere ya gũtacũkia makinya mothe. Hadini Hakameme TV, jitagwo Wahu wa Ngugi.